right, line up and wait. Endeavor 5052, flight in 155, contact your departure today.
Departure, we'll see you 155, Endeavor 5052 today.
American 429, runway 13 right, 1504, clear for takeoff.
At Brickyard 6028, VOR 13 left, release slow.
Brickyard 6028, whatever you were assigned, please. There is traffic behind you, runway 13 left and 1504 for the line.
Equipment 13 left yet, he never gave us the speed.
All right, at least 180 to Canard.
You got it, thank you.
Alaska 1411, Kennedy Tower, runway 13 right, line up and wait. American 429, flight in 185, contact your departure, good day.
Heading 185, switch to departure, 429.
Taxi 173 Alpha Heavy is on approach 3 left, 22 left.
3 173 Alpha Heavy, Kennedy, runway 22 left and 15.